Hey everyone. Being a student is tough enough without emptying your wallet on expensive tech. Today, we're diving into the best budget-friendly tech for students that'll help you study smarter, stay productive, and have a little fun along the way. Let's jump in. And hey, if you've ever tried studying while your roommate blasts music or plays video games, you'll definitely appreciate some of these picks. First up, we have the Gysolife Portable Neck Fan. It's lightweight and hands-free, perfect for staying cool during summer lectures. It operates quietly, so it won't distract you or your classmates. The rechargeable battery lasts up to 16 hours, plenty of time for studying or procrastinating. On the other hand, it's not ideal for super active sports or running, unless you like living on the edge. Why is it great for students studying in a stuffy dorm or classroom? This fan's got your back and your neck. Next up, the Anker Soundcore Life Q20 headphones. It has active noise cancellation to block out distractions, like that one guy who always talks too loud. With up to 40 hours of playtime, these headphones are enough for those all-nighters and the next day recovery. For the price, it has great sound quality. While bulkier than some premium options, they could double as mini earmuffs in winter. Why is it great for students? It drowns out loud roommates, barking dogs, or your own internal monologue about how you should have started that assignment earlier. Up next is the Logitech K380 wireless keyboard, a small, lightweight keyboard perfect for on-the-go typing. This is an item that isn't ideal for active sports or running. It features multi-device pairing. Switch between your tablet, laptop, and phone. With a long battery life, you can type for up to 2 years on AAA batteries, longer than some college relationships. The only downside is that the smaller keys might take time to get used to. Why is the Logitech K380 great for students? Turn any spot into your personal study station, even that cafe that charges $7 for a latte. This was a surprise discovery. With the Rocketbook Smart Reusable Notebook, you can write, scan, and save notes digitally, because losing your notebook right before finals is not the vibe and no one is here for it. It has reusable pages. Just wipe clean with a damp cloth, like erasing your regrets, if only life worked that way. You can upload your notes directly to cloud services like Google Drive and Dropbox. Now, it only works with Pilot Friction pens, but hey, it's worth it for the magic trick vibes, which we are here for. Why is it great for students? No more wasting paper. Note that the "my dog ate my homework" excuse may not work with this notebook, but "my homework crashed" might. Finally, we have the iWalk Small Portable Charger. Its compact design fits in your pocket. Yes, even those tiny jeans pockets. With direct plug-in, there's no need for a cable, because we both know you'd forget it anyway. The charger has enough juice to fully charge most smartphones, but it could be bulky on certain phone cases. Stay charged during long days on campus without lugging around a brick-sized power bank. And that's our roundup of the best budget tech for students. Which gadget do you think is a must-have? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the best deals. See you next time. Now go ace that exam, or at least survive your next group project.